I'm going to take a quick video here to show before I start painting this newly stuccoed chimney, which was turned out, like everything, to be a much bigger project than I assumed. I thought I could kind of throw it together in a couple of days. Took about twice as long, but it was strangely very satisfying work to try to get it as square and as smooth a finish as possible. We've left a little indention up here where a lot of this, because I was trying to square it up and the chimney was so racked and wonked out of shape. There's actually the cement's pretty darn thick in spots and corners. It veers out of vertical quite a lot here and there. So I just left this little cavity because eventually we're going to have to core through this again and put in a smoke pipe, a vent pipe for a new wood burning stove that's going to sit here. All right. I just wanted to kind of document it because I like this gray color. Honestly, we're going to paint it the name of the color is called canvas, and I guess it looks like canvas. It's a sort of a dusky white look. I'm sure it'll be fine. But as soon as I get this painted, I can finally finish up the ceiling, and then we are looking at colors. We picked a stain for this main part of the ceiling. We've got a sample that we're going to do today of a sort of a pale blue-gray for this room, including the floor. And then I gotta cut the moldings and everything to finish the edges of all of this. I got a lot of little stuff to do, but it'll be good to start with getting this thing painted. All right.